Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here we're drawing the two lovebirds just drawn for the 22 and close on upper side, make it head. Here also just look the carefully drawing and it's very basic and easy. Just close the 22 heads with the help of 0. Make a little triangle. And guys, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to like, share my channel, and close the bottom line, that is 22s. Make some leaves with the help of little V structure. There is another branch. Just observe carefully, it's very easy. Just 3 lines over here. It is just a little stroke. And it is also dark on the branches. And our lovebird is ready. Thank you guys, thank you for the watching. If you love the drawing, kindly subscribe, like, do comment. Thank you.